up the stream, so.
Oh, 55 waiting. Got it. This one right here on the waiting.
Yep.
Understood, bro. Jay, thank you so much again. I appreciate you, and I look forward to talking to you soon, bro.
Sounds good, man.
Much love.
Yep. Talk to you later, bro.
Talk to you, bro.
Is he died? Hello guys, sorry I'm a little late. Was in a quick little meeting in the morning. So let me log into my Top Step. Alrighty. Give me a second, guys. Are you guys having issues with Tradeovate? You chilling on Tradeovate? Okay, I'm having Tradeovate issues right now. I'm not able to log in. Let me see what we got going on real quick before. Okay. Let me clean up my chart a little bit, guys. So this is also key level. Yeah, we're getting a little choppy around that key level. Just structurally, I can see this kind of becoming a head and shoulders, right? Kind of breaking out of this. Definitely the price action right now looks a little bearish. We got our structural break right here. Retest onto that where that break was, and then we're probably going to test some of these lower levels or some of these bases here. It looks like it can't close above or close below this base. Mark check this out. Actually, that's probably not the base I'd be looking at. I'd be looking at this base, because that's the one that did the sweeping move. Yeah, honestly, I kind of want this key level tested again. This is like this level has been very, very confluent for us, right? A bunch of touches here, can't break it here either. We break below it and then we can't break above it. We drop, we come back up, we wick past it twice. We finally are able to reclaim it again and come straight back up. So whatever this level is at like 91, I think it'd be cool to see this tested again. But this definitely might be a time where we wait for the hourly candle and we see if the hourly candle breaks this. If the hourly candle can break this, right, then you can obviously, like, that'll be your next move. If the hourly candle just wicks up and it doesn't break this, then I think we hold this and we go up. I guess just like that. It's probably a good price action to be a little patient in. Can't get my funded accounts to connect to my trade copier, and I don't know if it's a trade copier issue or if it's a an issue with Trade Evade. But if you guys aren't having any issues with Trade Evade, it could be a trade copier issue. Interesting. This is the first time I ran into an issue with this trade copier. Let me see if they have like any support. It's definitely looking up, guys. Just the micros. What time is it? 9:41. Yeah, dude. I think we just gotta wait. It's gonna be way too choppy around this area. Just wait for the initial balance, and then we'll wait for the hourly candle to close. Namzi, what's up, man? Alrighty. And blasted straight through VWAP, which is kind of nice for us. Yeah, this definitely looks up, but I kind of want to give this time until the hourly closes. It's choppy, guys. That's crazy. That was like an instant, how many points was that? Instant 40-point down move. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, it's best to just wait. Let the market get some sense of direction here. I think if you're in from this base, I think this is valid. Some sort of trade like this. It definitely looks long, but depending on how this hourly candle closes, it could do something like this, you know, and really create that head and shoulders. But if this base is strong, if there are a lot of buyers here, I think we can see this and kind of have this as support. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I think the hourly is going to tell us a lot. I'm just going to stay patient and wait. Yo, can you guys, on stream, on YouTube, can you do me a favor? If anyone's not subscribed, can you guys try subscribing? I want to see if the subscriber thing works. The goal at the top. And let me know if you've just recently subscribed. So just to see if it works or not. Unless you guys are all subscribers. That'd be cool. That was someone just subscribing, right? Nick Curran is just subscribed. Oh, nice. It does work. Let's go. Thanks, Nick Curran. That's so cool, guys. Looks like the hourly is closing down red. Yeah, it could be. It's kind of a doji, right? On the hourly. Yeah, this is just what we gotta wait for here. We gotta wait for this hourly to close. So you don't want to get too ahead of it. Any giveaway today? Yeah, we're doing a giveaway literally every day if we can get to 150 new subs and 150 likes on the stream. We'll give away pretty much any account that's flashing on the screen. So like Apex, Top 1, or Lucid, we'll give you guys a 150k account. Oh shit, I just realized, one second guys, I'm not streaming on Discord. My goodness. The VIPs, I'm so sorry guys. This price action is gross, dude. What the heck is this? Should be stars. Good morning, man. How you doing? Sending a hi from Serbia. Oh, that's awesome, man. Dang, Serbia. My stream has reached Serbia. That's crazy. I'm gonna get our 4-hour close too. Let's mark out some of these levels. We're already 120 points up. 4 minutes till the hourly closes. Yeah, I mean the hourly is looking bearish, and I was looking bullish, and I was looking bearish, and I was looking bullish again. So I think it's gonna be pretty choppy around this area. I think we gotta start breaking out of this neckline. This is a key level. I don't know what. It's definitely a key level right here. Probably change this to key level. We need to break this. This would be a 4-hour break too of this level, right? Closer. Nice. Yeah, we're definitely gonna bullish close. This is good. I mean, we have good direction of the market today now. I mean, as soon as this breaks, we're just gonna look for some sort of retest onto this level. So, because once you get that hourly candle done, right, the next hourly candle is gonna want to put in that bottom wick before it goes up. So we'll try to get in on that bottom wick. Oops. 1 minute left. Alrighty, that's our hourly close, guys. And that is honestly not the most bullish close. We got over this key level, but there's definitely another level up here, right? That we haven't been able to close above. I don't know if we honestly extend this back, we'll probably see this get touched a lot as well. But overall, it is bullish. I'm expecting some sort of retrace here, and if it just like kind of rockets without us, it'll be a little unfortunate. We'll still try to get in, but I'm definitely wanting some sort of retest. So we're already 200 points up. I'm expecting like, this is what I'm expecting. I'm kind of hoping we get this. I want this to distribute a little bit before we really keep pushing up. Dang, that's looking strong though. Interesting. My top one accounts are not connecting. Damn, dude, this is giving us zero retracement. We're right at the 10-day moving average right now. Yeah, this is giving us nothing to get into this, man. Yeah, if you guys are in on this long, like, congrats. Unfortunately, might have missed the best move of the day, but we'll see if we can still scrap something here today. We still got a lot of time left in the day, so a little unfortunate. Dang, dude, this has no chill. What the heck? I guess that's your other head. I mean, other shoulder, right? I think we can recover this base, then a lot of this is free game. I think we're gonna get a lot of chop around here, so I'm still not planning to get in unless we get something clear. Dang, this would have been a great long to be in. Unfortunately. Starting to look a little weak. I think on the macro, this is also a fairly valid level to look out for. Actually, I'm gonna leave that base here. Key level. Oops. We can leave these. Is that what I was looking at? I was looking at this on. Oh yeah, it is this. Kind of entering this pennant, right? I think something to just kind of keep in mind once we start getting up here. Will we get up here today? Dude, I don't know. That's another 400 points. That might not be today. Yeah, this is, I think we're gonna get some chop here. So I'm gonna kind of wait on this. I want to see this. Like, I think this would be my long entry down here. Unless we start breaking above and like start creating some supply, or we come down and start breaking structure to the upside. So it's either we enter in a long off the confirmation of reclaiming this base, or we come down for a retracement for a long. Yeah, other than that, I think you'll just end up getting pretty chopped up here. The last time we touched the higher time frame bearish base, that's what we got. We got another one up here. So you either get that, get our retrace, or if price comes up to just reclaim it, we can get a push up, and we'll look for the break of structure to get into a long on that. I don't think I want to be shorting this market unless it's for like a quick scalp. What is the algo saying? The algo is neutral right now. The algo doesn't even have a signal at the moment, so that's how you know the price is, or like price action is not great right now. I mean, this was great, but as of like right now, because it got a signal like 13 minutes ago and it was neutral. So like right now it's a little unsure. Or it got the signal when it was around here, so it was a little unsure. Couple more minutes for the next algo signal. We'll see what it gives us, but I really don't like to use it until New York lunch hour when there's a little less volume in the markets. You guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna do the giveaway today. Give away a Lucid top one or Apex account. I know it's hindsight, but would you take the 25K break to the upside earlier? Where's 25K? Oh, I don't think so. I think I would have taken it if I like the trade, but we're just a little too extended. I think price is gonna be choppy around this area. My chop detector is going off in my brain, so I think I want to see us retest this, or claim this before I make a decision on a trade. Okay, we get a little break. I do like that. Hold on, I don't have any levels marked down in this area. Let me go back here and mark some levels. Gotta see what we're up against. That's a key level. $50, $78. We got a lot of room here. Yeah, I did see the video on that. I was gonna make a video on it as well for Instagram, but I want to test it out first before I promote it or anything. So yeah, I mean, it does look pretty similar to Project X. I don't know. It's new, so we don't even know like if it has the bandwidth to support, because it can pull like what Tradeovate did, right? I mean, what Project X did, where it just like crashed on you over and over. Like, we have no idea, so. We gotta let PA develop a little bit around this area. It's not very convincing. The price is kind of weakening out. So maybe we see something like this. Yeah, we just kind of gotta wait for the next move. Like we unfortunately, I missed this move unfortunately. So I'm just kind of chilling to see if we get something. You got long at 758, close at 100 points. Wish you left a runner. Hey man, 100 points is 100 points, bro. But 758 is all the way down here. You close at 758, 858. I see. 8 like a trade. Something like this. Still valid, man. It's still a great trade. No, I haven't made any trades today. Yeah, this looked really choppy in the beginning, so I did not want to enter anything market open. And by the time the hourly closed, we were like all the way up here already, and I didn't want to long it. I didn't want to long it near all these bearish levels. Yeah, we've already had our expansion, so I'm waiting for this to chop up a bit and then give us some sort of range. So once we get a range, right, I'll just play the breakout of whatever that range is. We're at a pretty bearish level, so I'm just not wanting to long it through it at the moment. The last time we touched one of these levels, we saw like a 200 point drop. So if you get another 200 point drop, you know, that'll be like a solid retrace. How are you identifying those key levels? Which ones? If you're talking about the ones that I literally have marked out as key level, they just have a lot of touches on a higher time frame. Like for example, look at this key level. And this is on the hourly. Like we're just unable to break this level, right? Come back down, unable to break it. And whenever you're unable to break it, you see a big push up. Unable to break it, big push up. And then you finally break it, big push down. Come up and retest it, unable to break it, big push down. We finally break it to the upside here, unable to break it to the downside, big push up. So I identified it like after this. Same idea here. Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 hour, but like the higher the time frame, the more confluent the level is gonna be. So if you go to like daily, you see something like unbroken on the daily, like it's gonna be a very highly confluent level that you want to look at. Yeah, personally, I like to use the hourly and then go to a lower time frame and just kind of watch it. You're welcome, Elvo. Namzi Singh says, short it. I am waiting. I don't think I want to enter a short, to be honest. If I enter a short, it'd be like a very, very short scalp. But I'd rather fish for a long, somewhere down here. Right, get your break. Eat that long. Something like this is what I would want to look for. But yeah, I do think shorts on these bases are pretty solid. The last time, like I said, the last time we had this, we had a 200-point move down, so could be. Yeah, if I short, it's gonna be, I'm probably not gonna hold it. It can be body or wick. Yeah, I mean this is looking like a triple top, right? Probably see this tested. Okay, I think my copy trade is working. This might not be a bad long. I'm kind of holding this base. That doesn't look too strong though. I like to actually short this. I'm gonna try for a short here. Let's see if this base honestly protects us. Honestly, I want to take this down to this previous, but I think taking profits here is pretty valid as well. Never mind, stopped out. Dang, I was hoping for a quick little scalp there. But I guess you can't go against the bulls right now. We'll try for the long. So we respected this bullish base. We just broke structure again. And then I literally just entered kind of where we broke structure to the upside on lower time frame rate. And I just want to see this now reclaim a lot of these next levels. It's getting rejected off this, but once it takes this, I want to come up and take this, come up and take this. And then if it takes honestly all these levels, I think we can see a lot of these upper levels taken. I'll set my TP here for now, so I have it in vision. And honestly, if we get stopped out of this, I think we're gonna be in heavy chop for a little bit, so I'll probably just sit out until the next trade. We're going pretty light risk, risking about 100 on the trade. Am I using minis? No, I'm using micros. FTDFY, that's funded Tradeify accounts. No, we're copy trading to seven funded accounts, so we're sizing small here. Smaller, I should say. I want to see a healthy push off this. I'm sorry, I have not been reading the the Discord chat. Sorry guys. You caught the long, but you always sell too early. I see, Wakey. Yeah, I think there's a lot of ways to be able to hold your trade longer. I would say EMAs, or just honestly, it's just straight up market structure. It's probably the best ways. I don't use any visualizations of the DOM. I do want to use a heat map, and we're pretty much there to get one on stream. I want to use the monetization of the YouTube to pay for the heat map, and we're almost there. I think it's like $100 a month or something. the channel's almost bringing it in, so. Nice. This push is looking good. I might actually looking to add a couple more micros in. Not quite yet. Have I tried deep charts? No, but I was actually talking to somebody this morning about deep charts, and I might actually use it. It looks really nice. There you go. This health is pushy, guys. Health is. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. This push is healthy, guys. There it is. Unfortunate. I wanted this to come down just a little bit so I can add a few more micros in, but. I'm targeting a high up here at 121. That would be TP1. Honestly, this could be TP1, but I'm gonna try to hold this trade a little bit longer. We have a couple of other targets here at 141 as well. But I like the idea of 121 at the moment. I added a micro in on that slight pullback. So our risk right now, I kind of want to keep my, let's say I'll probably move my stop break even. Let's not risk anything. Yeah, this is looking really nice on the 5. It's looking really good on the 15 as well. ES is also looking pretty healthy for a push up here. So we'll see. Oh boy. A little deeper than I wanted it to, that pullback. Man, I don't like how that 1 minute candle closed. I need to come down and test some of these bases again. Let's see. Come on, buyers. Let's keep the price up. Curious to see if the algo can win 4 out of 4 today. Let's hope. Let me see what the algo says right now. Eigenstate. Let me log in. Next prediction is in 30 seconds. It's still neutral right now. Yeah, I mean the AI is predicting bearish price action right now, but it's not giving a signal for short, so. It's looking bearish. If you can squeeze shorts here. Come on, squeeze the shorts. Nice. Just got another signal from our AI, our quant model, and it's still neutral. But this definitely looks up. Nice. Squeezing out the shorts there. Let's go. There's a lot of orders in this area. I'm gonna move my stop up to that swing low right there, and we can probably expect this to keep going. Yeah, around 540 or 140 for the next target is what I'm looking at. but we gotta see if we can even make it up to 121. Honestly, buyers look like they're in control, but anything can happen, so. We did have a lot of buyers in this area, so we want to see this held. But if not, you know, we make it out with 160 in profit. We'll take it. Stopped out. Alrighty. That's fine. I'm still bullish on this. But I was trailing my stop, so kind of makes sense. Like, I stopped out. I think I would look for a long again. If it like convincingly starts breaking out again, or if it comes down here, I look for longs in those two areas. Sounds good, Yopi. Yeah, honestly, if you honestly didn't make a lot off that initial push, I think it's 100% fair to skip this price action. This price action is not too great right now, so. See you next time, Yopi. Honestly, the 30-minute close pretty bullish, so I'm not really bearish on this market. I'm still looking for longs, but the hourly closes in 7 minutes, so I think once we get that hourly close, we might put in that bottom wick and then continue chugging up. So probably waiting for the hourly wick is the move here. Yeah, I definitely do want to be in a long. Not terrible either, to be honest. Let's get in. Might have been the wrong move right there. 28 might be solid level to watch out for. Oh yeah, that's this base too. Alrighty, let's see if we can break out. I do want to move my stop up as soon as possible. Got some candle breaks. Want this candle to close above previous high. Nice. Might be able to set this break even here. Two and a half minutes left on the hourly. I don't know if we can swipe this high before the hourly closes actually. That'd be ideal. I'm gonna flatten this. Oh. Does that get bought up at all? Yeah, I'm just gonna get out of the trade. I'm gonna see if we wait for a bigger retrace. Two. We're about to get the hourly candle in, so once that hourly candle opens, it just did. I want to see that bottom wick on the hourly candle, which is why I got out of this. I'm expecting to put in some sort of bottom candle or bottom wick before the candle moves up. Whoops. It's pretty difficult to play this chop. want to short this. Dang, the short is so dangerous though. Oh, yep, that would have stopped me out. Okay. Market's got zero chill, man. We're just up and up. Damn. I'm gonna try to get in on a retrace. That might have been it. We want to get somewhere down here. I don't know if they'll tag us in down there though. Let's see if we can aim for this higher high here. This honestly looks so nice. This might just like honestly pop up to this key level. Yeah, we're holding this pretty nicely. So ES, I think it's heading for 926. Gives it a little space. That should give NQ space to at least 121. Don't like that though. Let's see if that gets bought up. Dang, no way, man. What a trap. That feels so bad, man. Man. $22. Instant like 40 points down. That's crazy, bro. Don't know why it just suddenly dropped 40 points. I don't see a level. $921 on ES. Where's 921? Oh. 921's a bearish base on ES. I don't know. Oh yeah, that is still looking bullish. It's not really a setup I want to take though. I'll still fish longs, but I think just getting riskier up here. Something like that, one of these levels. That'd be ideal. cover this base. This might be a good push up. Interesting. I might be looking short here. I'm in short. Seconds. Don't exactly like how that closed. Dang. Okay, ES is looking a little bit more bearish here. Alright, that's a fairly bearish close on the ES. On the 5. Maybe put in a little top wick here, and I think we might wick down to maybe 913 on ES. It's not too far. Let's look to take off 3 here. Move my stop down. That could be a re-entry into that short, I think. I'd be pretty surprised if this moved up. Nice. Come on. Give us a quick little flush here. What level is that? 82, 82, 82. Actually, it's probably 85. Awesome, thanks for the sub, Lucas. Dang, bro. PA sucks, man. What the heck? Oh, man. That's so bad. That's actually awful. $48. Oh man, I'm gonna have to call it for the day, guys. That's so bad. Alright guys, honestly I might call it for today. I'm gonna end up honestly probably tilting today. The price action is so bad right now. It's like, it's not tradable. You either just gotta come back later when we get a cleaner price action, or just come back tomorrow. And this is where you'll burn a lot of your funded accounts, so. Alright guys. I will catch you guys later. Unfortunately, not a great day today, but yesterday was a fantastic day, so it kind of makes up for it, right? Yeah, I mean, bulls are just in control. I think I just took 2 shorts and lost, so I mean, you just gotta be taking longs when you get the chance. But I don't know. I can't trade this PA either way. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and yeah, sorry for the bad trades. We'll get it back tomorrow. All right, peace out, guys.